Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split the screen on HP Chromebook 14A. To split the screen, you should open at least two apps. They can be different apps or different windows of the same app. So I'm gonna get the new window of Chrome, for example, and now as you start moving it around, you can just move it all the way to the left or to the right, and then select the other window on the other side. You can also very easily resize this bar, which resizes both windows at the same time. Then you can also hover over this maximize button and set it to float, which means that this window, the float window, will always be above everything what's below it. And of course you can move this floating window and it'll always stay on the top. It's great. I like it a lot. You can also set it to partial, of course. It's basically the same thing as split. And if you want to set it as like 3 apps on one screen, I don't know really if it is indeed possible. So let's maybe get Gemini as the next app. And yeah, here I'll need to resize it myself, or if I resize it like that, yeah, it'll be fine. And it actually snaps here. It has a little snap, so now it's sort of aligned, but it's not the perfect thing. And I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one, of course.